Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the Quest 2 into developer mode and connecting it to your PC with Oculus Link or AirLink. This is essential because leg tracking is only supported via PC VR pipelines. Once done, install Steam VR and the tracker drivers on the PC, then position an ankle tracker on each leg. Make sure your play area is clear and your headset firmware is updated. You're doing this now to create a low-latency, full-body tracking setup that the PC can interpret as leg motion. Next, pair every tracker to Steam VR and confirm each one has a clear left or right designation. This prevents swapped legs in your avatar. Once paired, attach them firmly to your ankles with straps so they don't rotate. Align the forward axis toward your toes to match orientation. Then run the Steam VR room and full body calibrations, following the prompts to stand, bend, and point. Make sure to save the skeleton profile so your calibrated offsets persist between sessions. Finally, launch a compatible VR app to validate leg tracking and move naturally. Walk, crouch, kick to observe how the avatar mirrors you. If legs feel offset, tweak ankle translation and rotation in the IK or tracker settings and then save the profile. Once done, lock straps and run a short playtest to ensure stability. If tracking jitter or dropouts appear, check tracker batteries, remove occlusions, update firmware, reposition base stations or cameras, and re-center the view. That single troubleshooting step will resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.